Fannie Mae just removed their minimum credit score from their guidelines. In this video, I'm going to talk about exactly what that means for you if you are thinking about buying a home. If you're new here, hi, my name is Stephanie J. I help you build wealth through mindset and real estate. And today we are going to talk about what Fannie Mae has done recently. So first things first, who is Fannie Mae? Before we get into who Fannie Mae is, let's talk about the different types of loans there are. There are conventional loans, FHA loans, USDA, and VA. Conventional loans fall under Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Now, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac essentially do the same thing. They both buy loans from lenders. Who are the lenders? So Fannie Mae purchases loans from the bigger banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, etc. And Freddie Mac purchases loans from the smaller banks, so like credit unions and things like that. So because Fannie Mae purchases loans from lenders, their rules, their guidelines kind of set the tones for the lenders' rules and guidelines and the requirements for the buyers. When guidelines change, they affect the buyers. So what changed? Fannie Mae removed the minimum credit score requirement, which used to be 620, from their guidelines. Because of that, some loans don't require that minimum credit score in order for you to qualify for the loan. Now, I will say that this does not mean that you automatically qualify for a loan if your credit score is under 620. This is for the people who have no credit score or don't have much under their credit. So like if you're just building your credit, you never had any credit. This helps first-time home buyers who don't use credit cards or don't have any type of credit in their name. So instead of looking at credit scores, they are going to look at your rent payments, your insurance payments, your utility payments, things like that, and just checking to see if you are paying on time. What still matters? What hasn't changed? Debt to income ratio has not changed. Verified payment history has not changed. Job stability and the amount of down payment required are all still the same. The only thing Fannie Mae has changed as of right now is that they removed the minimum credit score that was required. If you are currently looking for a home or have been thinking about looking for a home, now is the time to start preparing so that you can qualify. So what are some things that you should do? Start gathering all of your payments, at least 12 months of all of your payments. No late payments. Don't co-sign for anybody, and talk to a lender early. Now, I do want to remind you that this does not affect FHA loans, VA loans, or USDA loans. This affects conventional loans only. If you're in South Florida and you've been considering buying, or you just want to see if these new rules will help you qualify, reach out and I will walk you through it. Thank you for tuning into my video. I do want to know your thoughts. What do you think about Fannie Mae removing this minimum credit score? How do you think that's going to affect the market? And how do you plan on moving with this new information? As always, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.